I want to look at this Shelly-ann Fraser-Pryce 10.63 run from a different angle this evening. I want to call it the Frano angle. You realize that after a couple of attempts, Shelly eventually wrestled herself away from Coach Stephen Francis and the MVP camp. And in short order, at 34, going on 35, she's in the best shape of her life, running her fastest time. This cycle of events suggests that Shelly always knew that despite all she achieved with Stephen Francis at MVP, she could have been doing better. I don't know if it's the individual attention she's now getting or what is being done differently, but things were obviously not perfect in paradise. And I was personally never a big fan of two Olympic champions competing in the same events, being in the same camp and coached by the same coach. Same thing I argued for Usain Bolt and Johan Blake. So it was not quite surprising that Shelly made the move, and look at the results. It is now up to Frano and the reigning Olympic double sprint champion to make their move. Shelly threw down the gauntlet. Make we see what Elaine and Frano have. Yes. Me right already, you know, with Shelly. So when Elaine starts to sizzle, the Maverick will be right again. I will be double right. Yes. The Maverick will be right. Be right already. And I will right again. So I'm going to be right, double right.